Hello everyone, I am here to show you how you can create. So let's assemble awesome websites quickly and rapidly. And also I'm going to show you how to use our Awesome Studio framework. So once you have plugins and themes set up, that is Awesome VR2 plugin and monoframe installed, activated, you will see this, and that's about it. This is all you'll see. And if you have set up the theme and activated it, the next step, once basically your theme and plugin is set up, the next step is to go to your profile and give yourself developer access. Basically, once you have granted yourself developer access, you'll see the changes. Once you have granted yourself developer access, you will get to see our awesome development platform. So, Awesome Studio Framework, before I go further, let me just quickly recap what is Awesome Studio Framework. So, Awesome Studio Framework is consists of two parts. One, Awesome Development Platform, and other, Awesome Studio Parts Collection. So, Development Platform comes with its set of sections: pages, modules, queries, data, hooks, and core. Core only comes up if you have installed the Omnet theme, otherwise, it's not required. Uh, Components has been deprecated and we are not using it anymore, so it's still there, but we are not using it. While the Awesome Studio consists of our parts catalog and it also shows list of parts that you have installed. As of now, we have about 40, 50 components that are ready to use, and every week we are adding 10, 20 components. So let's start. Right now, I have in this demo for this demo, I have set up the plugins and themes, and absolutely nothing else. So you do get this also, you know, theme settings the moment you activate the monoframe. Okay, so let's start by selecting a header component. Oh, basically the idea is here for me to create a simple block site. Let's start by creating a simple block site, right? That should be first. We already have a few components that are ready to showcase a blog listing and blog site. So even before that, so now that you have set up, the few things that you should almost immediately install is one, our skinning or theme framework, which is gaps and paddings, font sizes, colors, and some utility classes. These four things are used by almost all our modules and plugins. Okay. So when we're creating a block theme, let me show you how it looks like right now. this is how it is, the defaults. Let's start by correcting it. So what I'm going to do is, as you saw, we already installed the skinning components that we needed. Now let's start a header, right? We need a header. Okay, I'm looking for a simple header, so I'll go with this header. And also, I'm looking for a footer, a simple basic footer. Yeah. So I'll go with this footer. As you can see from the image, it's a copyright bar and social icons. So now you'll see the parts that we have already installed. So we have installed a footer, a header, and 4 of our utility classes. Okay, for a blog site, we need 2 more designs. We need a listing design for, let's say, archive page, as well as a single page design. So let's go to parts catalog and design down, add those 2 parts as well. Blog post list. I will right now in parts collection only one type of blog post list, and single page design. Okay. Here it is. So now the parts we have is blog post list, single post list. Of course, now how to use these parts, you just click on the see usage and it will show you. So this module is used to show single post along with post title. To use, just call this module inside core single post or create a post in a single inside awesome pages. So there are 2 ways I can use these parts. One is go to the core. So let me keep the installed part list. Let's move here. Let's go to the core. So we need to start using that header. Let's see how to use that header. We need to start saving set up that footer also. So let's open the usage of all 4. So this is single page. Yeah, header. So I can specify color using BG color, but I'm not interested. You can see the HTML that I need to call. Paste. And in code, go to header module. Let's get it. Yes. Control S and save. So let's see if it changed anything here. Yes. You know what? Let's check this logout symbol. Yeah. So I purposely chosen this part to show you how to fix issues that may or may not come up when you are adding a part, because this is a fixed level part. Okay, so next step, I have added the part, I have added the header. So let's close this header. Now let's set up the footer. Let's see the module list as well. Footer style 3. So I'm going to use this footer style 3. Okay, let's go to model, select, and save. So now we have installed header, we have installed footer, we have called them. Yep, we now have a footer. Let's see, the help was not complete for the footer, but let's see the footer parameters that we have to pass. If any parameters inside, parameters. Okay, now time to set up some logos. By the way, these settings come as you install modules. So just set up a logo. Save the changes. And footer. Save changes. And also let's put the social links. Save changes. Let's see what's changed here. Yeah. Let's set a binding. it to the penalty navigation. And okay. Then we have the models here. Let's change that gray to some white. Let's go to 4. And I don't want my header to be white. I want it to be gray. So I'm going to pass basic values. Yes. Next up, pushing the body to about 80 pixels. So what I'm going to do is, because my header requires it, I'm going to put a small style sheet. No. The height of the is 19 pixels. So to be pixels. It's 95 pixels. This is one module, core module. Close. Now remember, we have yet not used our, we have still only sort or set our header and footer module and not the content. Let's go and edit the content. Once again, in the code, we are going to call an archive module, post list module. Let's see the use of the post list module. Mhm. Okay, so documentation is not as usual the garbage. So let's see what to do when we get a garbage documentation. So the module we are looking at is blog post list with left title. So the parameter it looks after is the post class, the class, and I guess nothing else. So let's just call this module, or basically copy the slug, go to archive page, because not archive page, I'm sorry, we go to pages and we create a blog list page. We call page and we call and we run module. See how our output changes. It does not change. So I see font awesome is missing. Since font awesome is missing, we are not getting it. So let's get the font awesome here. Let's go to parts and font awesome here. Awesome. Font awesome is added. And we have our icons, including footer ones. Let's see where this horizontal scroll is coming. I believe I have used it wrong, and then I should put this. Okay, so let's go. So let me show you another way of editing this. Once you're logged in to a page, you see an editor button. This editor button shows you all the modules that's been used on this page. So we want to remove this horizontal scroll bar that's coming. So we're going to edit footer module. So I'm waiting for footer module to come up. I'm going to edit class code with no margin. Voila. Now, I will say we should wrap this inside a container, this model inside a container. So let's add to container. And so here, title. Okay. So now we have a header. Let's say address now. So now we have a header. Now we have footer. Let's go to the Well, so our single page is not working. Let's take care of that also now. Here is a single page module. Let's see the results. So we now have two choices. Here we could just go and override the standard core single.php or single file, or we can create post hyphen single. So in this case also, instead of overriding the global sales, I am going to create a page and use that. So it's a post type post. Posts. That is what we do. Send this image plus and placed. And let us see how this interview is now. But of course, this module does not support comments, and we don't have a comments part as of now. So you can just choose something else. Let's go back to home. Let's go to post and let us feature post. I mean featured image. And this is how the post shows up. Okay, let's go back to sharing the screen again. Yes, I accidentally stopped the screen sharing. So yeah, so this is how you end up creating your sites. So let's start. Let's do one more thing. Let's download a. Instead of download, let's just create a module. Let me show you how we create a module. So let's create a module where all I want to do is show list of posts. Let's say by taxonomy or a category. So let's start by creating a query. We gonna call it. Let's call it news query. I mean, assuming the posts are new. keep the post type to post, defaults to -1. I don't want not in, so I remove it, offset default date, order by date, perfectly fine. Meta query, I don't want the meta query. So, so this is how we basically customize our queries. We add a new query and we can have a variation. I also don't want post by taxonomy IDs, but I do want post by slug. So my taxonomy for post inside post is category. So let's call this this category here. So now if I want, so now this query once published says this is your main part. This is get me all the posts which are published. This section adds to it saying if I do also provide category, get me all the posts of this category. That way we can use one query insert also. I can use this query to list all the posts, or I can throw the same this query to list all the posts of category B. So let's start by creating a category as well. So I can download. Let me add a category X. X. All posts. Add post. X. X. This is only for X. And let me deactivate the comments. I don't want anyone to comment on this. Yeah, I am doing this to make it look good. Okay. Let's add one more featured image. And I need to start the screenshot again. Set featured image. Update. Let's see how our blog post looks like. This is how our page now looks. Right. And this is how the single page looks. And now we are going to create a model. We'll call it same category post. Oh, very slow. very slow. Cookies. Remove some list. List. Equal to plus. That's use it and make it dynamic. Since allow shortcode as attribute, do it this way. Simply passing the category term. Next we need to go to ABCD. Let's say to loop. All I want is loop value. So let's go value. So you are this it. Copy the slug because we want to call this in a single page. And our single page is here in pages. Since we have not created a distributable module, we will use a local module. Slug equal to slug. So the heading x post and pass and here it comes. Category X demo, hello world, something went wrong. Let's see the part. Sales list, accepts category, and let's see the module. I think I gave the wrong slot. The module was expecting cat term. I had not passed the correct data. I got the wrong results. Let's see. All right. So this is how you use Awesome Studio framework to build your sites quickly and rapidly. We are documenting and we'll soon have all the documentations ready for you to use. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me or email me. Thank you for your time.